Japan, you do so many things well, but your dryers for clothes are just. I don't know. I mean, I had such high expectations of you. You make small rooms in a hotel reasonable. They have everything you need. You have pant presses, trouser presses that are like compact, like irons that you don't need a board for, and that men can use easily. Your trains run on time. Your vending machines sell everything. Fresh squeezed orange juice is only 350 yen. And you see the oranges there, right there. And yet, your dryers. I mean, I read your supporters, and they say that, there's constraints with your electricity only being 110 volts or 100 volts. And there's no place for it to exhaust. But as an engineer, I just can't think that that's anything other than a setup for a project, a product. I mean, engineering is about taking things with constraints. They don't tell an engineer just do whatever. They give you a task. They say, okay, you have this amount of time. You have to fit in this small an area, and then you do it. And yet, your dryers. I mean, you put clothes in there, a little bit of clothes, and you run it for an hour and a half, and it still comes out moist, hot and moist. That's always the conclusion. There's nowhere to vent the air. So, um, yeah. I mean, not that I'm a designer of whatever field that is. Not that I'm an engineering expert in that field, but I would think you could suck out the moisture and make it dry better. Condense into water. There's places to drain water pretty well, because dryers often are places with washers which have to drain water. I don't know why. But it seems like people's solution is just to hang your clothes, but for us tourists, we have no place to hang our clothes. Some hotel rooms have strings that you can pull across the shower, but that's not enough for all my clothes. Most the hotels I stay in don't have balconies. Plus, I think if you stay in a fancy hotel, they wouldn't want you to hang your clothes outside anyways. So Japan, please just fix your dryer problem. I'll come back anyways, but please fix it anyways.